Hello friends, our English grammar tutorials we continue. Now we are in the simple past, and you know our first step is to get ourselves thorough with the form, so we will do this very simple exercise today. That is, you have to rewrite these sentences in the simple past. Very simple. This is what we used to do now with the simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and also present perfect continuous. So in this case you can see he breaks a glass. So what will be the rewriting in the past tense? He broke a glass. So he broke. This is irregular verb, break. Break, broke, broken. So broken glasses here. He broke a glass. So that is how we have written. The man runs away. The man ran away. The man ran away. Right? Because run is also an irregular verb. Or we say another term for that is strong verb. Strong verbs, they make their tenses by changing the vowel. For example, run, ran, run. See, break, broke, broken. Break, A, then it becomes O, broke, like that. So you can remember it as in a simple way, that is the irregular verbs, isn't it? Yes. So here we have got ran away. People grow vegetables. People grew vegetables in their garden. That is understood. Huh? Then he jumps over the hill. He jumped over the hill. He jumped over the hill. That is, jumped over the hill. They play cards. They played cards. Regular. They played cards. Okay, that is simple, no? They played cards. She swims across the river. She swam across the river. That is irregular verb. She swam across the river. Or in English channel you can write. The women cooked food. The women cooked. The women cooked food. Isn't it? Yes. No one has it. No one had it. Past tense of has is had. No one had it. It means common sense. Everybody has common sense. No? Some are guilty. Some were guilty. Past tense is were. Some were guilty. Alright? They appear at times. They means ghosts. Ghosts. They appear at times. They appear at times. Okay. Birds fly away. Birds flew away. That again is irregular verb. Birds flew away. Cows graze on the meadows. Cows grazed. Cows grazed on the meadows. Sentence. Yes, and now the baby cries very often. Maybe some problem. Yes. The baby cried very often. The baby cried very often. They seldom communicate. They seldom communicated. They seldom communicated. Communicated. That is regular verb, no? Angels sing songs. Christmas is nearby, that's why. So angels sang songs. Angels sang songs. So that is okay. We can see now. Break, broke, run, ran, grow, grew, jump, jumped, play, played, swim, swam, cook, cooked, has, had, are, were, appear, appeared, fly, flew, grace, graced, cried, then communicated, sing, sang. I think now it is very simple for you, isn't it? So this way, what you should do is do as many sentences as possible. Say you take down some 100 sentences, write down some 100 sentences, and rewrite them in the simple past. So you get thorough with the tense. Now I am sure that you are thorough with the tense, so you can change these sentences. Where she breaks a glass into present continuous, isn't it? She is breaking a glass. Present perfect, she has broken a glass. And present perfect continuous, she has been breaking a glass. She has been breaking. Why should she break? The man runs away. The man is running away. The man has run away. The man has been running away. So you know now these things. Therefore, alright, if you have got the time and the pleasure of doing it, then you rewrite all these 15 sentences in present continuous, present perfect continuous, and then also simple past. That would be 15 into 4, isn't it? About 60 sentences you can make. This is how you become fluent, by writing and by speaking, loudly speaking, then communicate, means sharing this with other people, you become fluent in English without any difficulty, no problem, nothing at all. Okay? So see you again. So see you soon with another dose of our grammar tutorial. I think that these grammar tutorials are very useful to you. For one thing, I am always concentrating only on, my focus is only just one point. And the videos last maybe 6 minutes, 7 minutes. So even if you don't have time, still there is plenty of time for you can find out some time and then you can do these exercises. Understand? So till we meet again, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life.